Hello, all. Here you can have some fun facts about birds. All birds have feathers, but not all birds can fly. That you know, penguins are a type of bird that cannot fly. The largest bird in the world is the ostrich. And the fourth fact is that birds have backbones. Birds eat insects, fruits, seeds, fish, small mammals, and fish. There are over 10,000 species of birds in the world. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Birds have beaks but do not have teeth. All female birds lay egg. What fun fact about birds is your favorite? Comment.